I make the day and I create the night, everything.
Explain that to me. What do you mean by that?
We do one I work. We just kind of weird like we are church people. We create the world. Everything in the world we create it. DJ, singing, actor, everything. We create it, yeah.
For real.
If there are things that we want to know about, I will seal them. I will seal them.
So understand me? Today are Christmas or Boxing Day?
Oh. Well, today Babylon Day, you know, when they come out, we can kick man and box man, you understand me? Box, yeah, box and thumb. Because they don't talk here already. You understand me? Yeah. See the little youth who want to dry rock stone, you know, all them good things that happen today. You understand me? Yeah. So. You know what they go, you know? It's all about wisdom, understanding. You understand me? And knowledge. You understand me? Yeah, that's the thing there. But I will say, you come out today, I will see the day breezy and shiny. So we will say, this come back and miss today again. So we say, I go back and bed, go sleep here because I don't hear no music. Then I say, John, no. Oh, but I want them big bull here. You understand me? Them big bull here. You understand me? Two of them soda here. You understand me? And I go back in, because they say a thing there. Not now go on. We not got no sting. You understand me? We not no man to go here. I eat that ninja man, I see come and dump up with all lyrics. You understand me? Lyrics them all like cartel boat heel. You understand me? Yeah, look a bit here, man.
Yo, what kind of message you have for the government? If you send a message to them, what message you send to your government?
Oh, well, I want to tell Mr. Andrew say, as we see it, with plastic rice, it's a fail of government. You understand me? Because people that say the rice never come out in the PNP government. You understand me? It will come out in a fame. I still the government. I'm govern the people them. So I'm about to take the blame. So what him can do? Share up the money. Because Christmas is all about loving and kindness and sharing. So come back in the fame government. Share what you have to share. You understand me? You got the money. You share money in the work. You want work right now. We have to plant one rice. How the hell? Well, a man hear the argument in Jamaica say we eat plastic rice. How that son? Jamaica, my country. You understand me?
For real, man.
And we produce most yam and banana. You send boy tell them, say yam give me most of them for chunk for run. You understand me? Because why you not invest in the yam? Why you not invest in the banana? Eh? In Thompson. Banana woman. Right? You send boy, yam man. One more you want, one more rhyme you want. I'm not rhyme minister. I talk to the Prime Minister. You understand me? Him not do nothing. Not him not do. You understand me?
For real. So a New Year's resolution?
Well, the New Year's, as I say, every smoker have them one lighter. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then one whistler, call them to call embarrassment in the crowd. Yeah, for New Year. That goes to the smoker. Schoolers. You understand me?
Yeah.
You have to watch your school, when you're in your uniform, at your school, you understand me?
Yeah.
You bring, you understand me? So, as I will say, don't watch the driver, because no fee bus. Yeah. Don't watch money in the conductor and saying rich.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Because me never sing song, say the driver rich. Instead the doctor rich, put him girl on a bus. Now, January morning now, look we say, both my mother and father go put them daughter on a bus and say, take this bus, go and come. And what the song I sing say, put him daughter on a bus.
Doctor feel her up.
The driver first fuck. The doctor feel her up. He said the driver rich. Now, Mr. Prime Minister, you hear that? I saw a breakdown, maths, yeah, English, civils, social study. Because the whole thing a jam, you know, the whole 10 subjects and more that a jam, you know, when you put them together, you know.
So tell me something, our school, the people never go for learn or for go fuck?
They might go to school for learn. But, you see, we don't have a proper JC JUC bus.
JUTC.
But yeah, bus thing what can school as alone. From once you put the adult on it, then the adult go and sit down in the school and see it. And then so, and the song again, go get everything now, eat it. So Jamaica try to use every other country method for rule with. Where you go work, where you go use it. Catch a dead guy a while ago. But in left Cuba now on a discipline. You understand me? I work, yeah, workforce. So no man saying can't say boy in dead left gone, ignorance, then stupid, then literate, then dark. America go buy out it, one tourist a pass everybody. But the one high grade. You understand me? So when I sell Jamaica, I sell Jamaica, Mr. Prime. I mean I sell it like all, when I sell Jamaica, and I sell out the bar and I sell out Westmoreland, you know what I mean, sell out Antiope, sell out, you know what I mean, sell out right now where me there. I was there, me there. The city of Montego Bay. You understand me? When I wake up, I start smoke.
Yeah.
When I get my one party now, so.